Hey everybody, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how I created this really pretty bright neon nail design. I've got all these nail tips all prepped and ready, and I'm going to start off by using this black by Model 1s, and all of these polishes are from Model 1s. And you'll notice the colors on the left there. I don't actually use all of them, but the ones I do use I will show you as we go along throughout the video, rather than showing you polishes that I don't know if I'm using. I figured it would be better that way. And I'm just going to start with the black detail work first, and I'm going to work on that, and then we'll get on with the colors in just a few minutes. this is what I've done so far, and I decided to use a matte top coat on the black. I just felt like that would be so pretty. And the one on the right is blank because I'm gonna do a design on that based on the colors I actually use. This turned out so pretty. And I thought I'd throw in this little tip here. When you have an abundance of gel, especially when you do the marbled look, there is some extra gel. It's just bound to happen. Please don't use your fingers, your bare fingers, to get this off. Use one of your lint-free wipes. It works wonderfully. They're flat. You can put it up against the edge. Pull that gel off, but don't use your fingers, please. As much as I really, really love how this turned out, I don't like where the free edge, how that looks. It's just a little bit, I think I played with it a little too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it up by making a black French design. Now, if I was doing this on a client, I would put a top coat on top of this and then buff it and smooth it out and then apply the black. But since I'm just doing it for this video, I just thought I'd give you some advice on if you are working on a client rather than doing it the way I actually did it. But after I put the matte top coat over the black, it really hid the lumps and bumps from the gel underneath. So but you would be able to tell if you were wearing these. I'm sure it would bother you, so take the proper steps to actually fix it. Everybody changes their mind, but as long as you do your best to make the client happy, you're gonna be fine. It's totally fine to cover something up as long as it looks nice after. I've got all my detail work done. The colors look absolutely beautiful, and now it's time for some bling. You're probably wondering why I'm putting the bling on before I do the sugaring, but the way I figure it, if a person was to wear these, to make sure that the gems are stuck on there really, really good, I wanted to do it on top of the actual gel instead of on top of the glitter. I just feel like it would stay, the gems would stay on a lot better if I just did it that way. So do it however you want to. You'll see that when I go to do the sugaring, I just put the clear top coat around the gems. I get it all underneath, and then I just feel like it's just gonna, they're just gonna stay on a lot better. Um, I don't know. I could be wrong, but it just seemed like a good way to do it to me. So the gems are all on, and now it's time to do the beautiful sugaring. goodness, I think they turned out so pretty. They're very, very bright, very spring and summery and flashy. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to leave a comment.